Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a tempered glass video for the Poco F1 again. So I've actually showed you two of them before, one with the black lining, and one without the black lining, which is not covering the camera. Now I told you the difference between it. The other one, these kinds, the sand was going inside over here, the lens area, and then the pictures were getting blurred. The front portrait pictures were not that good, so I had to remove this kind of a glass and then put a regular one. Now the problem with that is the entire area on top is exposed, so that gets scratched very easily. And the owners of Poco F1 already know that the screen quality is not that great, so if you don't have a tempered glass on it, it will get scratched. I already have major scratches on my phone, so I will recommend a tempered glass or a screen protector or anything on the Poco F1, because this is going to get scratched very easily. So yesterday I was in the market, and then one of my resellers actually told me about this new tempered glass. It looks the same, there's nothing different. Now don't go at 70, 80, 90, 10D, nothing. Now this one is a little different. It looks the same as the old one, but this one actually has a cutout for the camera and the sensor. So over here there's no glass, that's actually a cutout. It's a circular cutout, and the corners are not straight anymore. They have curved it. So if you, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it over here. You should see a shine going through. Yes, that's the shine. So it's actually curved, it's not straight. So now this will not break that easily. That's the other problem that I had with these kind of tempered glass, that when it falls down, or if you hit it from the side or anything happens, the side goes off very easily. So two of them I actually broke it from this side for some reason. I don't know why it breaks from here, but this one is supposed to be stronger, thinner, and it'll allow other back covers to fit properly. So let's go ahead and put this on. Now it's simple. You can just remove it, put it on it. I'll show you how to do it. Now if you want to buy this online, I don't know where to get it from. Now all the ones that I'm showing you on my channel are the ones that I'm going to the wholesale market and then searching and then finding good products over there. Now the same things are available online, different brands, different things. You'll have to see the example over here and then search for something like this online. I cannot give you a link because even I don't know what's the product that the other person is selling. So this one I know because I bought it from Bangalore, from the wholesale market. So let's go ahead, put this on. Now before you put it on, make sure you've cleaned the phone. I already cleaned it. Now I see a little bit of dust that have come up. I'll just remove that first. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on. So you just have to peel it off like that, and then just align it over it. Okay, now let's just rub it in. Okay, so we are done. The tempered glass fits perfectly. I even put a full back cover, which actually comes till the top of the screen and grabs the screen, not the sides. So even with that, it fits well. Now you can see the cutouts are precise, so it's not going to be a problem with any kind of back cover. Now secondly, the camera is now visible. You can use it to take clear pictures now, and in case if it gets dirty, you just take a cloth and then wipe it off. Now one more thing I noticed is that the black part on the tempered glass, that's actually precise. It's not coming into the screen. Most of the tempered glass like this, I had one problem where this black part was actually coming into the screen a little and taking a little part of the screen. So with this, that's not happening. So that's basically it. So nothing much to say about this. I'll test it, I'll use it, I'll see how long does this last. Most of the tempered glass don't last more than 2 weeks for me, but let's see how much does this one last for me, and then we will talk about it later on. I'll put that in the comment. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.